The darkness inside is harping alive, and that's exactly why I'm charging on time. Smart as the mind, and not part of the guide. Needed demise inside an angel's mind. Cannot be, but inside I'm all about protecting my mob. His family got standing free. I'm handing these clowns judgment I found through the voices and choices I found. Try loud to deny my damnation, stand fake bitch and take it to fucking hell. I want to dwell hatred sacred as Satan, stupid fucking fake bitches. Y'all snake hidden with no warning, you know Cobra, soldier battle to battle. God, when like mambas, I let those know I'm fixing hit them, draped in my snake pit. They sit in denial by one been trial, sitting with a lower half on fire. I'm tired of it, fake shit, bullies, and double worship. I have mispurposed and searching for salvation and didn't rape this run high, survive, Holocaust revive. Hitler sitting alive, pikes of mine. White supply, cause I saved him up high. Taking the time to rape in this rhyme is why some still faking his tribes. Basic as I taking his life, making him cry. I'm the chosen Antichrist, and with right side, damn like I'm man might. Never let him heavenly settle. Devil isn't me, and I serve Satan. Stupid bunch of fake bitches. They dissing while rape hitting. I'm one trying to save his list of fucking love. The judgment comes unplugged, and the drum beat to the ink drop. I'm the sheets. God's the need of singing king, reaching these minds with rhymes. Angels prophesied. Dropping God like a mobbish kindness. What's coming tight? Busting my opponents up hopeless. The joke is the total shit upholding. The joke is one smoking my frame. Hoping I'm lame. I showed them darkest brain. Smartest made is heart been brave. The heartless fakes about to get shark. Disgrace misplaced in the seas. This is king. I'm gonna cut you up bloodily and throw your asses overboard. Beggars know your Lord owning your soul is cold and Gators fed later. Savior said they sure better skedaddle. Let this ass tool get schooled. Hellish cruel dwelling. King is still shelling these hopeless fucks into disarray. This who hit your brains in pure ways for searching ways to hurt this brave. Slaved out in doubt, y'all will forever hate God with a motherfucking passion. See, I'm number one, been sacking on the enemy, plenty like gas, get empty in. Sending these to run away is what angels put into motherfucking play. Run away, this game isn't a fucking joke, but what's a note? Get you choked. Don't try me, bitches, sit in Christian, I will fulfill that angel's fucking paper. Judge and Savior plays your asses in harmony like harmony been. Scripted sick is. Bitches fixing, sit in church, say Jesus saved you, good as not, God will get dropped. See, I will fucking buy rock, tail, counter, and drop them all like I'm honored. Honor your Lord, world, I just wanted a girl, but angels made me twirl. So I search for my hellish rides like a squirrel dwells outside, nutty in mind. Fucking bitch kindness, something inside my mind I don't like bitch asses. It's faggots thrashing, I'm trashed in the garbage when I'm truly smartest. Darkest is the chosen sun showing up this side of fucking chosen Salvation's road. Pedal to the metal, I'm harder than solid metal ground and lecture after fucking lecture. Secretary with me, my lovely queens, want to service this archangel king. Dark labeling his Vader, chosen savior, so them haters know this braver is either my enemy blending in like a timid kid. I swim and take it. Hater like you got dick twos, honestly fucked in the head, wondering what's truly up the fuck ahead. Must let y'all know I am this cold and stole your souls too. Hellishly grope, heavenly rope, my lovely lady stars and babies, and get rid of these rabies. Maybe saving grace, he forget he makes daddy not shabby, follow his destiny. Blessed is me, haters, saviors, anger keep blind and tied for the pie. Show them kikes, dikes, and psych, I'm one who bit harder than y'all's bite. Might I add it's never over, you burning hell forever, you're never settled. Kettle them fucking bitch asses and tragic formats where you got lords contour. Your ass has to die with I in due time, please choose my side. I might be dark and heartless, but I'm still harping, save my love. They must come, I know they want to be the God he truly be.